within us. Accounts is easy. Today we are going to start a brand new chapter. Okay. All this while we have already covered journal and ledger, the subsidiaries of journal also, out of which one was left, and that is what we are going to do today. Alright. So here we are starting with cash book. Okay. A cash book, a book that records all cash transactions, simple. Yes. That's the easiest definition that a cash book have, right? So this is a book, meaning it is a subsidiary book. Subsidiary book meaning a subdivision of, it is a subdivision of journal. Alright? So what are the other subdivisions of journal that we have already done? Yeah. Journal, that is purchase book, sales book, purchase return book, sales return book, bills payable book, bills receivable book. Those are not there in your syllabus, but still they are books, and the journal proper, right? Now cash book is also one subsidiary journal, okay, subdivision. Now this also serves the purpose of a ledger. Ledger we have done the accounts, right? What information does a ledger account give me? What is the opening balance? What was the closing balance? What transactions happened during a particular period relevant to that particular account? Be it cash, be it sales, be it furniture, be it salaries, whatever. Alright? Because all of those transactions related to that account is entered there. So, my cash book, in spite of being a journal, serves and gives me all information that a ledger account would give. Therefore, a cash book is always, referred to a combination of journal and ledger. So this is basically a journal because again the first record of all the transactions related to cash and bank will be recorded here and nowhere else. It's not being posted and brought here. Okay. Although it's a ledger. So it's a journal. It records all date wise chronologically all the transactions related to cash and bank. It also serves as the purpose of ledger because it is first thing formed in it is drawn in the form of a ledger account which has a debit side and a credit side. Yes, and it always gives us all details of all transactions related to cash and bank in one place. Therefore, cash book is called a journalized ledger also, meaning a journal cum ledger. Alright? Now, your syllabus includes single column cash book and triple column cash book. Okay? Single column cash book meaning it will have only one amount column which will be cash account. Okay? Only cash transaction, not even bank transactions will be recorded there. But that's a very simple form of a cash book. Usually big organizations will have cash book with all the cash account also and the bank account also. Now that is the double column cash book. Triple column cash book has one more additional column which is the discount column. Because see, whenever there are cash transactions, we either allow a discount when we are receiving payment, and when we are paying, we are receiving a discount. So whatever is the discount related to these cash payments and receipts is also recorded in cash book, in the discount column. Alright? So that's the third column. So if you see the format of the cash book, this is a triple column cash book. Cash book of Messrs. So and so, meaning business name. We have a debit side and a credit side. So here till here we have the debit side. The same columns you will see on the credit side also as you see in ledger. Date, receipts, particulars. You can just write particulars also, but since cash, debit side means always the receipts. So we can write here receipts also. Discount allowed column because when you are receiving you will allow a discount. Cash account, bank account. Same entries. Same columns, date, but here it will be payments. You can write particulars also. Discount received, cash account, bank account. Discount received. These two accounts are different accounts. One is discount allowed, one is discount received. Alright, both are completely different. Cash, of course, this is referring to the same. Cash का ये debit side है, cash का ये credit side है. Bank का ये debit side है, bank का ये credit side है. Alright? So I hope the format of the cash book is clear. Fine. Now we will take a small sum where we will be able to understand how to place the transactions that are happening in the cash book. Alright? So you ready for it? Okay. Let's take a sum. I got the following transactions in the cash book of Mr. Verma. First thing. So we have drawn the cash book here. Cash book of Mr. Verma. We have the debit side and the credit side. This is the receipts side. This is the discount allowed, cash and bank. And again, we are repeating that, just that this is the payment side, this is discount allowed, discount received, cash and bank. Okay, now June 1st, balance of cash 50,000, bank 20,000. Balance, meaning on 1st of June, we already have cash 50,000, okay, and bank में भी 20,000 है, okay. So this is what we have got from the previous month, maybe May. Yes, from May we have carried forward. We have to bring down these balances. Bring down meaning carry forward from the previous period to this period. So here bringing down, of course. Now cash is an asset. It will have a debit balance. So this is all of June. So June 1st, I will write here to balance brought down. It will always be, cash account balance will always be in the debit side because it's an asset to you and you have to have the receipts more than the payment in cash, right? Or at the most the receipts will be equal to payment. Payment cannot be more than the receipts in case of cash account, and that is called assured, meaning in all cases. We have brought down the cash balance. The bank account also says 20. So here, assuming it is also a debit balance. Now I am writing assuming because bank can have a positive balance also and a negative balance also. Meaning there is a facility of overdraft. Overdraft meaning, bank overdraft meaning, a trader, he keeps requiring, funds on a short-term basis for making payments, purchases, etc., etc. So every time he can't run to the bank for a loan, bank loan needs prior approval, documentation, and a fixed sum of amount is given as a loan. Like bank overdraft is a running facility usually given in the current account of businesses. Okay, so here the trader will be able to withdraw from the bank more than what he has deposited. Okay, that is called overdraft facility. So this is easy for the trader because if bank में पैसा नहीं भी है for certain number of certain period of days, he can simply just make the payment from the bank because he has got the facility already approved by the bank. Is that okay? So now bank overdraft is this. So if at all it is given, nothing is given, what is the nature of bank account? I assume I have 20,000 in the bank account. So it's a positive balance here. Debit side meaning positive balance. Okay. Third, brought in additional capital. Additional capital is capital, right? You can bring in more capital, the proprietor, any time of the year. When he brings, what is the entry? He is bringing in money. Cash account debit to capital. So cash account debit. Now this is, do not forget, this is the journal also and the ledger also for cash account. So cash account debit. So this is on the debit side. When I write anything, it means cash account I have debited, right? And which is the account that I am crediting? It is the capital account. So capital account credit. I will write the amount in cash column, not in the bank column. Please take care of that thing, otherwise your sum will go wrong. This money is not going into bank account, it is going into the cash account. Fine. So therefore cash account debit to capital. This is the journal, this is the ledger. Fine. So I have shown cash mein 40,000 aa gaya. Next, there are no narrations required in a cash book. Although it's a journal, still it's also a ledger, so we can do away with the narrations. Purchase furniture by check. Purchase furniture meaning furniture account debit. 10,000 furniture we are purchasing. So we have to debit furniture account, but this is not the furniture account. Do we record it here? Yes, of course we record it here because payment is made by check. So bank से पैसा जा रहा है, so we have to record in the bank and in the payment side. Remember, this is the payment side. Whenever you are paying, the entry will be on this side. Whenever you are receiving, the entry will be on the debit side. Okay, there should be no confusion. So we are making the purchases on 5th, and so we will write here buy, not purchase account. We will write here furniture account because we are not buying goods, we are buying furniture. कौन से कॉलम में लिखेंगे? इधर नहीं, कैश में नहीं, बैंक में. बैंक से पैसा जा रहा है, so bank account में लिखेंगे. Okay, please ensure you are putting the amount in the right column. Then we have paid for purchases, 20,000. Again, now this is what purchase? This is goods. Yes, again payment. So payment side में आएगा. What is the journal entry? Purchases account debit to cash. Yes. So here I will write here buy purchases. So we are purchasing goods and we are paying cash because nothing is written. Check is paid or anything like that. So it is assumed it is cash. So cash column से 20 is going out. Paid check to Radhesham 15,000 after 500 discount. Okay. So paid check to Radhesham cut. Okay. Paid check to Radhesham, that is 15,000. 15,000 का check गया and there is also a discount. That means how much account are we settling with Radhesham? 15,500. उसमें से 500 discount है, तो therefore 15,000 I am paying. Okay. Do not subtract this 500 from this 15,000 because 15,000 का check we have already paid. Again on payment side, to whom have we paid? Radhesham. So he was my creditor. Now he is not my creditor. So Radhesham's account debit. Yes, liability is reducing, debited. Now discount we are receiving. So discount, whatever I am receiving, I will write here in discount received column. And I am paying by check, so I will not write in the cash column. I will write in the bank column 15,000. Alright. So here Radhesham's account is debited with entirely 15,500. I am seeing this 500 because I am crediting discount receipt. 15,000 because I am crediting bank. Fine. The same journal entry we are straight away writing in the ledger format. Okay. So this saves a lot of time. So cash book is basically very convenient. You do not have to first write all cash and bank transaction in journal and then make the cash and bank account. ये सारा कुछ यहीं पे हो जा रहा है. So it is saving a lot of time. Now, withdrawn from bank 10,000. Withdrawn does not mean drawings always. It is not written withdrawn for personal use or withdrawn by proprietor. Has it been written? No. So withdrawn from bank is for office use. Okay. So the journal entry is cash to bank. Now यहाँ पर बहुत ध्यान देना है. This is a place where many people jumble up. Cash account debit to bank, isn't it? Because you have withdrawn cash from bank, so bank से पैसा कम हो गया तो credit कर दो और cash को debit कर दो because cash में पैसा आया. Okay, no drawings here. Now how do I record this? Cash account is receiving, so this should come on the receipt side. This entry, yes, this is the receipt, and what from where is it coming? From bank. So bank account debit over here. This is on 24th. Okay. So bank account credit हो गया and cash पैसा आ गया. So कितना आया? 10,000. Okay. 10,000 it has come into the cash account. Clear? Not here, not here. But this is just one part of the transaction that I have recorded. What about this bank account? There is a payment. Bank is making a payment, so this should come on the payment side also. Yes. So I have to show this in the bank. The bank is paying 10,000. So I have put the amount in the bank column. Bank से पैसा गया, इधर से नहीं. And कहाँ गया? Cash. So it is like by cash 24th and Radhesham का entry था 21st को. 24th. Cash account is being debited in bank credit. So I have entered in the bank also and I have entered in the cash column also. Correct? Now since this transaction appears on both the sides of the cash book, cash account, cash debit side also and credit side also. Okay? Therefore, the entire transaction is here only. It's not being posted anywhere else, right? From here, we will be posting to capital account, we will be posting to furniture account, purchase account, Radhesham's account because ये journal है. Journal से posting होगा. Okay, we'll talk about that also, how to post. But here do you think that यहाँ पर entry कहीं भी और post होगा नहीं? Because we are not making in the ledger any cash account or bank account anymore. This is the ledger for those two accounts. This is the journal for those two accounts, right? Therefore, such entries which find a place on both sides of the cash, that is involving cash and bank both, are called contra entries, and in the ledger folio column you will write here C. There will be a ledger folio column here where you will write C here. C denoting contra entry. Alright. So this was a contra entry being cash withdrawn from bank. Sold goods 20,000 at discount of 10,000. 25th, we are selling goods worth 20,000 but at a discount of 10,000. So what do you think? How much are you receiving by selling goods? Is it 20, 21 or 19? Correct, 19, because 20,000 का goods था, but you have sold at a discount of 10. Therefore, 1,000. Therefore, you are allowing that discount. Then you will receive only 19. All right. So here you are receiving cash. What is empty? Cash account debit, discount allowed debit to sales. So here I will write here to sales. Sales account is being credited. Yes, on 25th. Discount allowed is being debited 1,000 and we are receiving cash 19,000. So nothing goes to bank. So cash में आ गया 19, debit cash 19, discount allowed debit 1,000 to sales. It is credited 20,000, the actual sale value. Alright. So this is how you record a compound journal entry here. Then you have paid salaries 25,000. Paid meaning on the credit side. So here on 29th you have by salary account debit to cash. So यहाँ पे नहीं, it is come here 25,000. Okay, not in the bank also. Okay, then all entries done. Now what does this say? Balance the cash book. Balance the cash book means what? Like we balance the journal ledger account. We will have to balance the cash book also because cash account or bank balance पता कैसे चले, right? Therefore, we need to do one thing. First thing, we need to find out the total. Which side is more? Correct? Now, on which side is more? Wala question is one. Now, here if you see ledger account, like ledger account, we will be closing at the same place. Whichever side is more entries doesn't make a difference. So draw two, the lines across to write down the total. Now, cash का तो आप बंद करके लिख सकते हैं. Debit side का total ज़्यादा ही रहेगा credit side because receipts will be more than the payments. Therefore, we do not have to even check which side is more. Okay, we will do that in bank account because bank में क्या है? I told you there is an overdraft facility also. So we can, there is a possibility कि जितना deposit किया है उससे ज़्यादा withdraw किया. Okay, so in that case your credit side total will be more than the debit side. Correct? Therefore, we will come to bank later. Let us do the cash. Okay, 50, 40, 90 and 10. 1,19,000 is the total of cash. So here total again will be the same 1,19,000. Fine. Okay. Then from here we have already paid from cash 20,000 and 25,000. ये payment हो गया ना? Receipts इतना था. So payment इतना हो गया. So I will obviously not have the entire amount. So out of 1,19,000, 45,000 is gone. So how much balance do I have in cash? I will subtract this and find out. Okay. I have 74,000 in my bank account. Did you get that? This is the total of receipts. This is the payment side total. Therefore, 74,000 is falling short. So how do I balance? I put 74,000 there. So it will all be equal in cash. Yes, both sides will be equal to 1,19,000. And I will write here on 30th, the last day of the month, by balance carried down. Clear? So my cash account is closed. Clear about it? Now coming to bank. Bank account, the credit side, I am seeing is heavier. This is only 20,000 here. Here I have 10 plus 25 plus 10. So therefore, 25 and 35,000. So this side is more. So 35,000 is the total of the bank column and if this side also has to be 35, I will have to put another 15,000 here because we already have 20. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? 20,000 balance था, but we have paid 35 out of the bank. Is it possible? Yes, possible, because we have overdraft facility, right? So therefore 15,000 I have overdrawn, meaning taken more than what I have deposited. That is a liability form. Okay, so bank has this much. The balance carried forward or carried down is this much on 30th. Okay, so this side was falling short in the bank. Now again, bank is usually an asset if you have more money than you have, you have deposited more money rather than spending, right? Otherwise, this 15,000 is not an asset to you. Are you getting it? Because this is a credit balance of bank. This 15,000 you have to pay back to the bank. Okay? So this is a liability. Now bank overdraft, you understand, is a liability. You have borrowed more money from the bank than you had kept with the bank. Therefore, you have to return it, and it's a liability. Alright? So here I have a cash balance of this much and a bank balance of this much. Now, how do we close the discount columns? Okay? Discount columns. This you will appreciate that this is discount allowed and this is discount receipt. Can we balance it? These are two separate accounts, right? Therefore, there is no balancing here but only totaling. 1,000 here and 500 here. Okay? So that's how you finish off the discount column also, and that's how you balance the cash book. Okay? So stay tuned in for more such videos which have simple concepts and small little tidbits so that you can digest it well. Okay, so keep looking for more videos on my channel. Subscribe to it, like it, share it. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.